Isa pa? Isa pa? Ayan, okay na yan.
Okay na yun. Sige, pwede na.
Pwede na.
Alright. Alright. So, ayun. Ariana activated. Yun. Yan. Parang ang ganda kung makakasama yung fortune sa ano, no? Sa Pag-ibig Fortune Cookie 2025.
Hello, Army. Charity.
Come on. Ang ganda. Let's close the year. Let's close the year, right? Sobrang, ayun na siguro yung gift sa akin ng MN Loves kung makakasama tayong fourth gen sa Pag-ibig Fortune Cookie 2025, no? Wala sila, hindi tuloy natin ma-announce. Grabe to. Nakakagutom.
Ah? Nakakapala ko ng wow.
Wait lang, naririnig mo ba ako? Bakit hindi mo ko sinasagot? Ba't hindi ka nagre-react? Center for Miss Yana. Yes, thank you.
That reason becomes a big issue.
So anyway, Charis. Yun. So, may announcement kami. Wala kasi yung wala kasing dalawa, sayang. Dapat, So, kung sakasakali, announce natin,
Why, baby? 뭐가 문제야, baby?
Wait lang, ang gagaling yung music. Sa'yo ba yun?
Hey, one. Anyone, please?
Sa kanya yun. Na naman siya.
At yan, nasa ka ba nakatingin?
Hindi kasi yung camera ko nandito, tapos yung monitor ko nandun sa gilid. Pero, ano ko naman to, angle ko naman to, so pwede na yan.
Ako lang ka.
Si Line baka busy na naman sa plays niya. That's true. So, ayun. Yeah, alam ko yung angle ko, guys. Diba? Hindi masyado. Parang lagi akong galit dito sa kabila. Dito medyo maano pa ako eh.
Ang
Tamed.
galing naman.
Tamed. Ako na, isama sa 4th gen. Girl, tara na, Mikey.
At pero, ibang nalulabas. Opo.
Kalawa ka. So, anyway, yun nga. Meron pa tayong 43 lives. Ilan yung, live? Viewers. Ilan yung viewers mo dyan, Shell?
Meron tayong 10K.
10K! Grabe, ang dami. Thank you so much sa 10K viewer ni Shell. So, may announcement kami kung hindi nyo natatanong, no? So, 4th gen kasi, on behalf of 4th gen, kasi wala si Ira and Line, so we will make an announcement. Wow! May announcement. Syempre, hindi papahuli ang 4th gen, guys. So, if this is for you. Wow, for you! So, we really want to be part of the Senbatsu of Pag-ibig Fortune Cookie 2025 creative video. So, just to clarify, this is going to be a creative video. More details will be for later. Parang alam na agad ni Mikey Quintos. Yan na, go straight to the point na tayo. So, guys, may regalo kami sa inyo. Kung sakasakali mang makapasok lahat ng members ng MNL48 4th Generation sa Pag-ibig Fortune Cookie 2025 created video through votes, we will perform for you Naman! Kasi parang anong-ano niya na parang sabik na kayo sa No Way Man na 4th Gen. So, we're thinking of the best time for us to perform that. Kasi ang weird naman kung bigla kaming magsasayo ng No Way Man, di ba? Pero ito, full version ba? Pag Senbatsu, yung 4th Gen. Pero pag hindi, yan, half lang tayo. So guys, make a Senbatsu para Bush. Oh, di ba? Patikim pa lang yan. So, yan, sana ma-encourage kayo, no? Kasi, syempre, we know that you want to support us, but of course, we want to give something for you. So, if in case, fourth generation, MNO48 fourth generation will be part of the Pag-ibig Fortune Cookie 2025 creative video, we will perform No Way Man for you! Yee! Pati River, grabe. Pag isa sa amin siguro naging center. Tapos, nasa Senbatsu kami, 4th gen. So, full ng No Way Man, tapos River pa. Siguro ganun yung mangyayari. So, guys, kayo, it's up to you. It's not up to us. Tiga-score lang kami dito. Tiga-record lang kami dito, guys. It's not up to us. Sasayaw lang kami kung gusto nyo kaming sumayaw. Grabe, Mang Budol. So, anyway, ayun lang. Ayun lang naman yung announcement namin. Yun. So, we hope na wag naman sana kayo na mainis, no? Pero, we hope that you become excited. So, thank you so much, guys, for watching me. I'll be ending my live soon. So, in 1 minute na lang. So, thank you again sa mga nag-gifts. And please, stay tuned for the next announcement po ng schedule namin for our first PFC campaign. So, please follow me also on Facebook. Awa na lang, guys, no? Alam ko hindi ako masyadong active sa Facebook, pero para sa campaign, I'll be more active. I'll be posting contents for you, of course. So, kasi gusto ko talagang trabahuhin to. Wow, trabahuhin. So, yeah, yes. Thank you for appreciating the good vibes. Yes, so I know that the Philippine situation right now is not so good, but kapit lang, guys, laban lang. So again, tulungan tayo. So i-reserve nyo na yung battery nyo, i-charge nyo na yung mga power banks nyo kung meron pa, pati mobile data. So I'll be leaving soon. So thank you so much, Shell, for the short time. Sige, kumain ka lang dyan, no? Nakakahiya naman sa'yo.
Ito mga ate.
Yan, so tuwang-tuwa kami ni Shell. Kasi yung ano na yan, yung scarf na yan. Hindi, wait, next time na lang pag kompleto tayo doon natin ikwento yung scarf na yan. May kwento. Ay, scarf ba yan? Hindi pala yung scarf. Ano tawag dyan? Crochet na parang beanie? Ganon. Beanie. Hindi beanie. Pero parang ganon. I don't know. Pero yon, wag ka mag-alala yan na immortal ang MN Loves. Totoo naman. So, yes, stay safe. Well, kidding aside, wherever you are, please be safe. Especially doon sa mga nasa Visayas and doon sa mga talagang maapektuhan ng bagyo. So, yeah. No, please be safe, and I hope that you peacefully, sleep tonight and eat well. So guys, thank you so much. I'll be ending my live now. Have a great week ahead. Salamat. Please catch me on my next live on November 12, maybe. So let's wait. Sige, bye-bye. Ingat, guys. Ingat. Thank you din sa mga nag-follow. Grabe, sa 51,000 likes. Grabe, ang dami kong new followers now and gifts din. Sobra. Viewers 1,000. Sobrang dami. Thank you. Thank you, guys. And gifters. Yan. Thank you. Catch me on my next live. Wait for the announcement of the MNO48 official and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. MNO48 yana.official. Bye! Ingat. Bye! Paano mag-end?
Bye-bye,
Dito sa TikTok live.
Thank you po.
Ayan, end live. Bye! Bye, Shell. Love you. Mwah. Ingat. Enjoy. Lipat kayo kay Shell, guys. Lipat. Bye. 3, 2, 1, picture! 3, 2, 1, picture! And bye!
Gifts. I'm so sad. Parang ano, pag pinost kasi sa broadcast, I can't promise na parang I don't like na marami makakakita. So I'll just remind it over and over